Hi guys, it's Roxie with Roxie's Broadway Breakdown. Welcome back to my channel. And so today I'm doing a double shuffle off to Buffalo. I already have a video on a regular shuffle off to Buffalo, but this just has a little twist on it. So let's get to it. All right. So just to remind you, a regular shuffle off to Buffalo looks like it just has a step, shuffle, step. So what we're going to do is you're going to take off the step and you're adding a flap. So it's flap, shuffle, step, flap, shuffle, step, flap, shuffle, step. So it would sound like, and that's a double shuffle off to Buffalo. It still travels to the side. You're just adding that flap sound now in front of it instead of just a step. Same thing to the other side. It's flap, shuffle, step, flap, shuffle, step, flap, shuffle, step, flap, shuffle, step. And here we go. And there you go. That is a double shuffle off to Buffalo. Okay, hope you like that. Subscribe to my channel, check out all my other videos, and I'll see you next time.